Bananas and Africa share a deep connection when it comes to production. The farming methods used to cultivate bananas across the continent are quite unique, combining old traditions with modern care and sustainability. The journey to producing quality bananas begins by planting suckers, also known as offsets. Unlike many other plants which are grown from seeds, bananas propagate through suckers that sprout from the base of existing plants. Once established on African farms, banana plants thrive through harmonizing with the land. Weeding is crucial as competing plants could deprive banana trees of water and nutrients. Farmers diligently remove unwanted weeds by hand on a regular basis. Irrigation is also generally necessary, as bananas require plenty of moisture to yield their bountiful clusters. Innovative technologies like drip lines now assist distribution of water more efficiently. As the fruits begin to swell, careful observation determines the ideal moment for harvesting. To protect their delicate cargo, farmers deploy various techniques. Bananas destined for export may receive protective wrappings or disinfectant sprays to sustain freshness over long journeys. Once ripened to perfection, skilled workers commence picking. Harvesting bananas is labor-intensive due to their hefty weight. Bunches can weigh up to 40 kilograms, necessitating team effort. Experienced harvesters use sharp knives or machetes to sever dense clusters cleanly from the parent plant in one fell swoop. Advanced systems then transport bunches securely to avoid bruising the precious fruits within. From field to factory, bananas transition through several processing phases to satisfy global demand for snacks. Upon arrival, loads are meticulously inspected and cleaned and cooled to maintain quality. Peeling commences through collaborative workflows maximizing efficiency. Conveyors then transport banana flesh for further preparation as pulpy porridge or dehydrated chips, destined for store shelves worldwide. African farming plays a vital role in satisfying the world's relentless appetite for this most ubiquitous of tropical fruits. When crafting banana chips, the thickness of slicing directly influences texture. Thin cuts produce crispy, crunchy chips, while slightly thicker slices provide a pleasant chew. Workers have mastered their daily slicing duties, carefully gauging frying times to transform soft banana flesh into golden morsels. This step in the process allows excess oil to drip away, resulting in lighter, less greasy chips. It also helps the banana chips to cool in a manner that fortifies crunchiness. Cooling proves vital, as packing the chips while still warm risks sogginess en route to consumers. Proper cooling locks in the fulfilling snap consumers seek. Banana chips showcase themselves as a portable and nutritious snack. While filling journeys with carbohydrates for energy, athletes and hikers benefit greatly from this convenience. However, daily indulgence proves less than ideal for health-conscious individuals. Moderation remains key to balancing enjoyment with wellness.